In 2015, Dodge unleashed a muscle car revolution, the Hellcat, a monstrous, supercharged powerhouse that redefined modern American muscle. The story begins in 2011 when Dodge secretly started developing what would become an icon. Their goal was ambitious: dominate the horsepower wars. What started as a 600 horsepower target would eventually surpass 700, driven by fierce competition. The engineering team completely redesigned the engine. They fortified everything: forged pistons, connecting rods, and a reinforced drivetrain. The engineers had one mandate: make it reliable despite the extreme performance.
At its heart, the Hellcat featured a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8. The numbers were staggering: 707 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in the mid-3 seconds. Top speed, fast as fuck.
The Hellcat wasn't just an engine, it was a complete system. Massive 2.4-liter supercharger, twin intercoolers, dual spark plugs, dual fuel pumps, and your choice of a reinforced torque flight, 8-speed or Tremex 6-speed manual transmission. The impact was immediate. The Hellcat revitalized America's muscle car culture. It sparked new horsepower wars between manufacturers. But more importantly, it created a community. Enthusiasts gathered at events, shared their passion online, and celebrated this affordable supercar killer. Success bred expansion. The Charger Hellcat proved you could have a practical family sedan with supercar performance. The Durango SRT Hellcat, Jeep Trackhawk, and Ram TRX showed muscle cars could come in any shape. But times change. Enter the Charger Daytona EV. Dodge's answer to electrification features high-performance electric motors, advanced battery tech, and design that honors muscle car heritage. It even includes a 126 decibel simulated engine sound system and artificial shifting. The transition to electric has sparked debate. Traditional enthusiasts mourn the loss of that visceral V8 experience. Yet industry experts see unlimited performance potential in electric powertrains. As the Hellcat roars into automotive history, Dodge charges forward, igniting a new era for American muscle.